Welcome back to the channel, Moneymakers. Today we're going to talk about animated social media posts and how you can make money from them. You can charge maybe up to $5 per post per person just designing this on this free platform called Canva. I know we talked about it in other videos for other things that Canva is, but it's kind of a one-stop shop for graphic design if you're not a graphic artist. So this is an animated. Sometimes you see those animated social media posts, and again, some of them might cost some money, but then some of them are free and they're all editable right here. So you can do a blank one, or you can just go off of one of these designs here. As you can see, there's different types, different ones you can do. Let me just try to find one that we can actually. Here, let's try this. You might just sell this one for maybe a couple bucks or whatever. Oh, that's a free one. Is that a free one? I don't think that's a free one. Let's see if we can find us a free one. So we picked this design out just because it's easier. So what you can do if you wanted to actually just sell this design or create this design for yourself and just have this going, you can actually just copy the page or add some notes to it when you send it off. Also, you could probably add some music to this. Find you some nice music to go. Let's see. Travel, trap, piano, happy. So brighter sun right there. And that's free. So again, you want to do all this stuff free until you can make enough money so you can pay for your subscription there. See how that sounds. You also can create. And that would be nice. So you, like I said, you can do this for yourself. Okay. Okay. So um, when they get this, they'll click on this, and then it'll actually play the song there. You also can redesign this if you want to, not say create your own sunshine, have a good day. You can also go in here, as to in previous videos, just edit edit what you want to do here. You can just redesign some stuff and just say, I'm just putting that out there so you create your own sunny. Uh, again, you can take this out if you want, add your own images to it, also add music to it. You can add a comment. This stuff is it's real simple, real easy, real free. Again, if you want to monetize off of it, it's fine. Just use your cat if you got Cash App or PayPal. Earn you a couple bucks. Just marketing that. If you got a list of friends on your Facebook or Instagram, just say, hey, you create posts like this for a very cheap price, maybe about a dollar or two, but it's more than a dollar or two that you had in your pocket before. That's the money making aspect of it. But if you don't want to just do the money making, you just want to create for yourself and maybe attract followers that way. This is a good deal to do. The animated post for social media, because it just kind of gives the viewer and your page seeker and all that stuff a good, and saying that it's more entertaining. So click like, subscribe, um, comment below. Let me know if how I can improve the videos. See you next time.